Write the equation of the line in point-slope form. The line passes through 0, 0, and increases by 1 unit in y for every increase of 1 unit in x. All right, we first want to get our slope, our m value. That's our change in y over change in x, delta y over delta x. And they tell us here that we're increasing by 1 unit in y for every increase of 1 unit in x. So as y increases by 1, positive 1 in that change, our x increases by 1 as well. 1. 1 over 1 is 1, and that's our slope. Easy peasy. Now the point. They're giving us the point. We know it's passing through the origin, 0, 0. So we now have enough, using point slope form, to write out a line. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's our point slope form. And now let's plug and play. Y minus y1 is 0 equals m, which is 1, times x. Oh, this is x minus x1, excuse me, minus x1, which is 0. Now, if we look at this here, it almost looks too simple, and we wanted to simplify it all, which would be the same line. But if we want to show it in point slope form, I'm going to leave it as such. Y minus 0 equals 1 times x minus 0. This would simplify to be y equals x, but for right now, point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 is our y minus 0 equals 1 times x minus 0.